All right, guys. So I wanted to teach you how an easy way to get transcription of your videos in case you need it. Someone has sent me this video to transcribe. So it's this one. So the first thing you got to do is you need to go to Instagram Downloader. This one's free on the internet. You paste the URL. That's the address or the link in there. You paste it. And then after it downloads, you can then download it. And then you get this and you can download the video. And then it's downloaded. Then I go to something called Capwing. It's free. It's free. Hold on. So when you log in, these are other ones I've done recently. You come in and you create new project, and then I upload. And then I come here to downloads because it's in my downloads. Those are the soccer photos I took. Hold on, sorry. I need to make it like list. There we go. Now I can see it a lot better. Bam, here's that video. Okay, there's that. And then transcript. After it loads, it's gonna take a little minute to load. And then you come here and you click transcript. Yes, I want English. You get 8 minutes for free, or 10 minutes for free. This will take 2 minutes, and I'm going to generate transcript. So step 4, transcribing. And you just got to wait, and then it will give me the transcript to it and as a text file, and then I've got it. We'll see how long it takes. It's generating. I'm going to pause this. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's done. I didn't even have to pause it. So that's the transcripts, and then I can just download it, and boom, it's a text file, and I can copy and paste. All right. All right. I hope this is helpful in teaching you how to do it for free and simple and easy. Have a great day.